This morning we're going to be making mussels with our very own white raven. Our white raven is a state bottle. That means that our grapes for the wine are grown on our property here out of Cayuga grapes. Come on inside and let's start cooking. Mussels. So some of them have a string attached to them right here, but you want to pull that string off. Okay, now that the lemon butter sauce is cooking on the stove and it's almost done, we're ready to add the mussels. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of the olive oil, put it in the pot over medium heat. We're going to add the mussels to the pot. And we're going to cover the pot and let these cook for 2 minutes until they start to open. Okay, now that it's been 2 minutes and our mussels are starting to open, we're going to add the onion and the garlic and cover it for another minute. It's almost time for us to add our sambuca, our basil, and our lemon butter sauce. We're going to cover and cook for another 45 seconds. And it's all done. So I have to tell you, this is the best mussels recipe I have ever had. So I hope you try it at home. And now that we have it, we can enjoy it.